Welcome to the Norwesco single union and ball valve installation video. Typically, a Norwesco water tank comes with a bulkhead fitting on the bottom, which provides a connection for valves and garden hose adapters. For on-off control at the tank, you can use a single union or bolted ball valve. To utilize a valve, you need to purchase a plastic or metal nipple, which will be inserted into the bulkhead fitting on the tank. Make sure the nipple is the same size as the bulkhead fitting. Install either side of the nipple into the bulkhead fitting and turn it clockwise until it's hand tight. Then install the valve by turning it clockwise until it's hand tight. To adapt it to a garden hose, simply purchase a plastic or brass corresponding size garden hose thread to male pipe thread adapter. Place the smaller threaded male pipe thread into the valve and turn it clockwise until it's hand tight. Then, connect the female end of your hose to the garden hose threaded side of the adapter and turn it clockwise until it's hand tight. For more installation tips, go to norwesco.com.